Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm showing you how to fix your tarnished jewelry. If you notice your jewelry has gotten some tarnish on it, then in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to fix your jewelry with just a few simple steps with some products that you probably already have in your house. So let's go ahead, dive in and begin. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe and let's get started. Okay guys, first things first, we're going to need a bowl and I just put some hot water in there. We're going to need some baking soda. Now, totally random, but if you have aluminum foil, I just crumpled some up in a ball. I'm not a scientist, but there's something that happens between a foil ball and baking soda, some sort of chemical reaction that just takes the tarnish out of the jewelry. Go ahead, drop that ball in there, sprinkle some baking soda, stir that. The jewelry that I want to fix today is my Tiffany bracelet. I left it in the bathroom and maybe like the steam got to it because it's like super tarnished, not looking as silver as it once was. Also have a Tiffany ring that got really tarnished as well. So this works for like any of your jewelry that's tarnished. So I'm gonna go ahead, throw my pieces of jewelry in there. I might even just sprinkle some more baking soda on top of them. And then we're just gonna set it aside and we're gonna wait about 5 minutes. Okay, so time is up. I just have a microfiber kind of cloth like this. So I'm just gonna pick it out here and I can already tell it's so much more polished. I'm gonna gently rub that off. You can run this under hot water, but already like it's so much better. Let's see the bracelet. Wow, see, it's like a brand new bracelet. I'm so excited. Literally looks brand freaking new, you guys. It's so much better. Lastly, this ring that was super tarnished. Let's see how you look. And if you notice that your jewelry is still a little bit tarnished, then just leave it soaking for a little bit longer. Just like that, you guys, I have untarnished my jewelry. I'm really happy with the results and I hope that this also works for your jewelry as well. Definitely share your thoughts below in the comments and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye for now.